Today we'll be learning about inequalities, how they are read, how they are mathematically represented, and how they are mathematically shown on a number line. So first of all, we need to know what are the inequalities. The four types of inequalities are greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. So this is known as greater than. This is known as less than. This is known as greater than and equal to. And this is known as less than and equal to. Right? So these are the symbols that are known as inequalities. That means something that is not equal or does not have an equal sign. Those are known as inequalities. So these are the four symbols that we would be seeing in inequalities. Now, how they are used in a mathematical expression or how do we use it on a number line? Let's see this. So I'm going to take a new page now. So first of all, if I have an expression like x is greater than 3, let's say, how are we going to read this? First of all, we are going to read it from left to right, right? Similarly as we read other all equations. So so this will be from left to right read as x is greater than 3. How can we memorize it? This is an open mount towards x, right? So I can say this is greater than 3. And the other expression is x less than 3. So how will this be done is, again, it will be read from left to right, and it is written as x is less than 3. You can always remember that from x, this is a closed end, so x is less than 3. Now, if I need to represent these on a number line, how will I do this? I'm going to do this for the first one. Now, this is x is greater than 3. Now, what actually this means is all the values that are greater than 3, but 3 is not included in that set of numbers, right? So that means to draw this or represent this, I'm going to draw number line 0, 1, 2, 3. And since this is a continuation, excuse me, so I'm going to write 3 dots, positive infinity. I'm going to do the same on the negative side, -3, just to keep a balance, 3, and I'm going to write negative infinity. Now, again, since this is a number that is greater than 3 but does not include 3, so what I'm going to, how to represent this, I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a hollow circle on 3, and I'm going to draw an arrowhead from all the numbers that are larger than or greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 3, 6, 10, 9, whatever the numbers are. So this arrowhead actually indicates that this is a continuation and it does not end, but all the numbers that are greater than 3 are represented by this X over, right? So for the second one, I'm going to draw a number line again, same, 0, 1, 2, 3. And since I do not know the n, I'm going to draw 3 dots, positive infinity. Similarly, on the left-hand side, -1, -2, -3, 3 dots on this side, and I'm going to write negative infinity. Now, this time, x is less than 3. Again, that means all the values that are less than 3, but this 3 is not included in that set of numbers. So I'm going to draw a hollow circle on 3, and all the values that are less than 3 are on the left-hand side. 2 is less than 1, is less than 0, is less than 3. So I'm going to draw an arrowhead on this side, which indicates all the values that are less than 3 are indicated by such. Remember, when there is no equal, so there should be a hollow circle. So this is 2 types of greater than and less than inequalities that we represent on a number line. So now if we have other numbers or expression like x is greater than and equal to 3. Again, it is read from left to right, and this means x is greater and equal to 3. So on the number line, how will this be represented? I'm going to draw a number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 dots, positive infinity on the left-hand side, -1, -2, -3, and 3 dots and negative infinity. Now, this is greater than and equal to. That means this time the values are greater than and also equal to the number 3. So when this situation happens, we are going to do the same. We are going to draw a filled circle this time, not the hollow circle, because this includes 3. So we are going to fill this circle. And all the values that are greater than, we are going to do it like this. Next, if we have another question like x is less than equal to 3. How this is read from left to right. This time it is known as x less than and equal to 3. So again, the number line is 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 dots, positive infinity, -1, -2, -3, again 3 dots, negative infinity. Right? So this time the values are less than and equal to. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a filled circle, and I'm going to draw an arrowhead on the values that are less than 3. So this means the values that are less than 3 and also equal to 3 are the values of x. So this means this is a filled circle. So this is how we represent two inequalities.